In this short video, you will learn what educational technologists are capable of doing and what can be expected from them in the work setting. For your preference, there are closed captioning and language settings you can access at the bottom of your page. A specific definition of educational technology has been a long debated topic. The job description has changed over the years as the field of education has transitioned from one phase to another. To better understand the educational technology field, we must dive into its history and development. In the early 20th century, some of the first educational technologies, such as motion picture projectors and films, were present in classrooms. In World War II, the U.S. government mastered the use of films in education by using such media to train soldiers and personnel at an exponential rate. The television, another key resource in educational technology, led to the development of educational programs such as Sesame Street. In the late 20th century, the invention of personal computers provided access to interactive software and eventually the World Wide Web. Today, we utilize a variety of technologies and tools that actively engage learners to become involved in instruction. To improve the educational experience and learner performance, we look to educational technologists. There are still some discrepancies about the definition of educational technology, but we will refer to the description provided by two notable authors, Robert Regier and John Dempsey. Educational technology encompasses the analysis of learning and performance problems, the design, development, implementation, evaluation, and management of instructional and non-instructional processes and resources intended to improve learning and performance in a variety of settings, particularly educational institutions and the workplace. There are many roles educational technologists can fulfill in any workplace setting, whether it is designing training on how to properly shoot a rifle, to produce better trained soldiers, implementing tools and technology in the classroom that improve student comprehension, or designing informational web-based content to promote a medical department. A background in educational technology will enhance on-the-job performance and productivity. Educational technologists are trained to collaborate with all departments in a company and have the ability to take on leadership roles during the process of creating both technological and non-technological instructional tools and training. Educational technologists are on the cutting edge of new instructional techniques to create training that will flow seamlessly through each department. They ensure that the design is accurate and effective, thus creating a fluid workflow process. There is a need for educational technology from schools all the way to training coordinator in corporate America. Many companies have seen the impact that educational technologists have done in schools and desire the same kind of result from their employees. The Masters in Educational Technology program holds professional standards for curriculum, which is founded on the Association for Educational Communications and Technology 2012 standards. These standards identify the key aspects of the functions and knowledge base educational technologists should possess as professionals in their domain. Let's take a look at the economics of educational technology. The salary range for an educational technologist ranges between $44,000 to $73,000 a year. This type of investment will inform and educate your employees, thus producing an efficient company. Clearly, having an educational technology expert on your team will be a huge asset. Educational technology is a well-documented field of study, and we are advocates for informative, creative instruction in the corporate arena. Having an educational technologist on your team will streamline all of your training needs and give you a leader who you can trust to create professional training materials that will be the envy of your colleagues.
Created using Powtoon.